Welcome back, guys. From your ear device,
you see the face.
You don't know Chef Reid
and Chef Alexander here,
coming to you with our next epic video, guys. The one you're out of the world, the one you're monumental, the one you need for document. Here we want to go over Chef Reid and Chef Alexander plating tutorial and subscribe, guys, because the plating them are gonna come epic. When you don't see it on the main channel, so just go over there.
Yes, guys, and subscribe to our vlog channel as well. Banging vlogs are gonna come over there. So, and for all our new subscribers, welcome. For all our supporters, them we are watching when you subscribe yet, hope you consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends and family and everybody.
And remember, like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're soon forward.
Welcome back, guys. So from the title, we don't see what go on today. So I could jump in at the ingredients them now. So here we have our Biscoff spread or Shirley biscuit instead of Biscoff, guys. We are trying to get this. I can't get it, so or twist or take or way Shirley biscuit we have, and or icing sugar. All right, guys. For the persons that are not in the Caribbean, check out the Shirley biscuit. Yes, guys, I notice it have a little house on it. That's something there. Yes, guys, so you see we have a blender here. Notice, you see that frosty something there? Yes, guys, this is there in the freezer. So now we're going to add our almond cream and our icing sugar. Yes, guys, we want to get this fluffy whipped cream vibe, is it? So just watch what I go on.
You know the shapes, you know, guys. If you don't know the shapes, no, know the thing go. So here, well, a Pepsi.
Yes, guys, I remember. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, guys. Give this video a like.
I'm tell the vegan them already, you know. This is epic. So here what you do for me. Subscribe. Click the bell there.
Yes,
and
guys.
Press all.
Alright then. Realize that it's fully vegan. Something for the vegan them, man.
Alright, guys, so now we are going to pulse this. Yeah, guys, that's the reason why we are using a blender. We now have a mixer. So that's why them call Chef Angels, because we have to make this work.
Yes, guys.
Alright, guys, it'll get somewhere.
Alright, then.
So, you don't know, as we say, them call Chef Angels. Not in a bad way, in a good way, because we have to make things work. Because we don't have no mixer. So watch your player and we'll get it to the level where we want it.
Yes, guys. Yes.
Try this if you don't have a mixer, guys. It will work.
And guys, yes, guys, you see if you not check out the description yet, check out the description. You can see our wish list down there, guys. It's a list of equipment that we need. Just guys, yeah. New Year, bless you with something.
So I don't want to get the drift, guys, so we catch on the back when this foamy and ready. But before we catch on the back, we want to get a look on the inside and see what we're going.
Yes, guys. Look at that.
Alright, a commando. It a commando. Tell me if it not look whipped creamy.
Yes, guys, so we are going to give this 5 more minutes, then give it a check again, alright? So we are catching the back when we are doing that part.
Now see what I want. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready.
Yes, guys.
Alright, we're going to transfer this in a cool stainless bowl to keep the whipped cream here foamy and fluffy because we don't want this to melt.
Yes, guys. So we are catching it back when we are transfer this, alright? Yes, guys. So we are pour out this now.
Look at that, guys. The Biscoff here. Epic.
Yes, guys. Nice and fluffy. Look at that.
That's what we wanted to achieve, guys. Who didn't know the almond milk with cream could have do this? Sorry.
Sure.
Like richer, have more body. Or if you have the regular almond milk, you can just boil it first with some heavy cream, some starch, sorry. Get it foamy and then make it cool and do this. Get the same results.
Yes, guys. Look at that, guys.
Alright, so we're gonna get on with setting up this now, guys. Now we're ready.
We're ready, guys.
So you know Biscoff already? Layers. So we're dealing with that right now.
So
I'm
stay
gonna rest this
tuned.
in the fridge. Make it go and chill little.
Alright, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Yes, guys, our frozen dish we'll be not telling about. We did start arranging biscuit them already. Check it out. So we are going to jump in right in this, guys.
Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the cream first. I'll just see what we pop in the blender. Layers, guys, look at that.
Yes, guys.
That's just about enough.
Spread it. Cover all that biscuit.
Now guys, we're gonna add some spread.
Biscoff spread. Guys, we have to move at a fast pace because we don't want this melt down. Got the layers building nicely, guys.
Alright guys, so now eat the next layer. Let me hear in the comment section, guys.
Yes, guys, subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like. And guys, make sure you try out this with your family. Quick, easy.
Simple.
Yes, guys, good for the kids. And you know, if you have a family member that is vegan, you can just do this for them as a little surprise. Or also share the video with them so them can have it for them family as well. Cause you know we're all about sharing.
Alright guys, so we're gonna add the next round.
Alright guys, I will make 3 layers with this. Time for that Biscoff spread. Once again. Get it all up in there.
We're gonna repeat this again, guys.
Alright then. So I'm gonna get the gif, so we're gonna catch you back when we are at the finish. Alright guys? Final touchdown. Yes, guys, you see what we are telling about with the layers? Look at that, man. That thick layer of white with that little layer of Biscoff spread. So amazing, guys. Look at that. Perfect. Yes, guys. So we are the final now. Top of the thing, you know. Everything, guys. I'm gonna hear the scrape when you know what I'm going, you know. Tell them what I'm going, Chef Reid.
Oh, we say everything, man. Them
Everything.
Say, oh, what everything, nothing now, waste nothing now, that's way.
None at all. Get it everywhere, guys.
Guys, and when you're doing this, you have to work fast.
Yes, guys, because this will melt fire. You don't want that, though. Everything, guys. Seal up this properly though. Yes, guys, you see the top fully covered and sealed. So we're gonna add some more Shirley biscuit crumble to the top. Yes, guys, and we chose the flavor coconut in this. You have original and you have a lot more flavors in the Shirley biscuit. So you can check out the other flavors as well.
You like what I go on, don't guys? Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Yeah, guys, more hear you know.
Yes, guys, and you see if you don't love that dessert, yeah? Get this video. How much likes you want, Chef Reid?
1,000 likes, guys.
Yes, guys, 1K likes you want for this, because you don't know, so we over here, so have the
bang a video then.
Alright, then. I'm know, say if you try this with the family, I'm gonna love you. So just show we some love and spam up the video with the likes. Yes, guys, I'm gonna top this off with a little cinnamon powder. Just a little, because you know cinnamon strong. I don't want this too overpowering. Nice and everywhere.
Look at that, guys.
Alright, guys, take it in.
Alright, so we're gonna put this in the fridge.
We're gonna clean up the edges, put it in the fridge, guys. You can put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour max, because you want this firm up and nice. So we're gonna catch you back when we are do the banger plating though. See you then, guys. Yes, guys, so from your so come back, you don't know what time it is, guys. I will plate this on a cool plate.
So take in what I go on, guys.
Look what I go on.
Banging garnish them.
Yes, guys.
Let me hear you in the comment section.
Give this video a like if you make it this far, and subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Alright, so no, I don't want to start it so again. I change my mind.
Only thing, guys, comment down below and make you know.
Let's have to start.
Look at that color.
Then income right there so neatly.
Beautiful.
See that? Alright. Love how now take it in. Go on then.
Yes, guys, only thing so far. What dessert do you guys want to see us do next? Or what you want to see we do next as an entree? Make me know in the comment section down below.
And remember guys, this is completely vegan.
Yes guys. Shout out to Shirley Biscuit for making this Biscoff possible guys.
Alright guys. Come up, you sister man. Come off man. Perfect. Then now come with the suicidal attempt.
Right, this too. Tell me you don't like it, guys. Remember, I know people, anyhow I see you know, man. I go tell the people them say, you never try out the recipe, you know. So, make sure you send the picture over our Instagram, and if you don't follow me on there, check the link in the description down below. Check out the other videos that we posted. Check the description for our PayPal and our wish list also, guys.
Check out that.
Banging, people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Blow up the comment section, guys. More on that video, yeah, get 1K likes, people. Cause this door,
Epic.
yes.
Gotcha. Take it easy.
Look at that, man. Look at the layers being displayed, guys. Beautiful. Look at that.
As Alexander said, when you catch this far, blow up the thumbs up section, give me a like.
Give them a close up. Until next time. Bye foodies.